Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today the Range Rover, how to fold in the mirrors and also adjust them. And you're thinking, why would I want to fold in the mirrors? It does that when I lock it. Well, if you're sitting in the car and you're in a very congested lane, you might want to fold in the mirrors to stop them getting smashed off. Also, if you're driving down a very tight country lane, you might want to fold the mirrors in to stop them getting bashed on other cars or against trees. Now what you do is you press both of these buttons here. And there you go, the wing mirrors both fold in. There is a link above now about how to check the tyre pressures from the driver's seat. And to get them to fold back out again, you just press those two buttons at the same time again. So let's just do that again. There we go. Press them again, fold back in. There is a link above now about how to open the bonnet or the hood on your Range Rover. Right, now to adjust the wing mirrors, what you do is you just select either the right button for the right wing mirror or the left button for the left wing mirror. And then that joystick in the middle, you just move that up and down, left and right, depending on how you want the mirror adjusted, as so. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to adjust the left-hand mirror, the near side. So you just push that button and you get a small little orange LED light to tell you that you're adjusting that one. Again, just put your fingers on the joystick and adjust it as required. Now when you're parking and reversing, the mirrors will automatically point downwards to allow you to see the curb, but they will go back to their settings before. Once you've finished adjusting that mirror, just unpress that button. And I think after all that hard work, we definitely deserve a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Be sure to hit that bell notification tab.